Hi. Today we're going to talk about effective marketing, which requires a detailed understanding of the past trends of the market, the current requirement in the market, as well as forecasting the future trends that may impact the market. And all this analysis is done with respect to the customers, the environment of the organization, and the marketing trends. So apart from the effective marketing, we need data and information for developing strategic plans. And data can either be primary, which is data collected for the current project in hand, or else it can be secondary, which is a data which has already been collected for other projects in the past, which and not specifically for the project in hand. And when we have data, decision making can't be made directly from the data by having a look into the data. So what we need is some statistical interpretation for the decision makers to take an appropriate decision, which is beneficial to the organization. And for that, we need information, which is statistical representation of the data, which is secondary and primary data we have. And also, this data is useful for marketing research, which primarily focuses on the price, product, and communication trends, as well as the distribution channels for marketing. So all these inputs provided help in uh, developing a perfect marketing research, and this helps in the SWOT analysis, which is very crucial for strategic planning. And talking about the marketing research, the output of the marketing research and the analysis and output from the internal audits and the output from the marketing intelligence combined together help the marketing information system to develop strategic business plans and decision making, which are very important. And also, today we'll talk about how data can be gathered. So we talked about primary and secondary data, and these can be gathered through personal interviews or telephonic interviews, which are a bit annoying for the individuals participating in providing the data. But however, what I see is the best thing to do is to go with a different marketing experiment to gather this data. And we're going to talk more about this in the coming weeks when we develop a business plan and use it in our business plan. And also we will talk about organization buying and selling and how this can be done, which has been detailed in this week's lecture. And also we learned about suppliers. So there can be an in supplier who is an existing supplier for the organization and an out supplier who wants to be a supplier to the organization. And way an organization brings in new suppliers or increases the competition within suppliers is through tenders, requests for tenders, or for quotations, or for invitation for proposals. So these three aspects create a channel for out suppliers to become an in supplier for the organization. And also today we'll talk about how to generate capital and how to attract investors to invest into your business plan. And to do that, we need proper analysis and proper information to provide to the investors, such as the financial documents, which can be the profit loss statement or the balance statement, balance sheet, or also other calculations for depreciation in the future.